All right, guys, we got another speaker spotlight today. This is a 4800 series case from Harbor Freight. It's Apache 4800 with a Sound Extreme 8-inch marine grade speaker. 1001B amplifier and 24 volt KBT. This thing gets loud, and these speakers are extremely large compared to a normal 8. They're almost a 9-10 inch speaker. You can't fit two of them side by side in here, but you can fit two of them side by side on a 5800. So let me show y'all what it sounds like.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the corridors, profanities. I see the world ice covered in ink. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.